Are you looking for the best folding step ladders and your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding step ladders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Draak Step Ladder 6-Step Non-Slip Aluminium. They might sound like the bad guy in a sci-fi film, but Draak happened to make some excellent DIY products as well as one of the best step ladders for the money. Their 6-step aluminium ladder is just the right thing to store in your shed for when you need to get up high. It's incredibly lightweight and has reliably grippy steps. This is the classic type of aluminium step ladder that would be found in any DIYer's arsenal of useful kit. If you're planning on doing a spot of redecorating, then you can't go far wrong with a step ladder that reaches up to 184 centimeters. Other ladders in the Draak range include 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8-step versions. The steps have a nice, machine finish to them that helps you to grip on, and the top curved part is longer, meaning you can lean on it for a bit of extra balance. With a maximum loaded weight of 150 kilograms, this lightweight ladder can easily accommodate heavier individuals plus their tools. It's one of the best sets of steps I've seen in a while. Up next in the 4th place is the XinSunho 5-Step Retractable Step Ladder. Step stool and folding ladder experts XinSunho know a thing or two about making the best step ladders. The best all-round ladder they produce is this 5-step retractable step version. It folds down incredibly small but can still help you reach up to the highest shelves in your house. Made from bright aluminium, this is a step ladder with a clever action. The wide steps pivot through 9-tidig when you open the ladder up, which allows for 2 things. Firstly, it folds down incredibly flat, and the profile is less than 7 centimeters when it's folded up. Secondly, the steps are nice and deep, allowing plenty of room for big feet. And with a maximum height of 151 centimeters, it's tall enough for most DIY situations. The secret weapon that this ladder packs is the retractable top hand grip. Once you've opened the ladder and locked it into place, you can extend the top section by almost 20 centimeters. This extra bit of grip gives you something to hang on to when climbing the ladder. XinSunho also make this handy ladder in 3- and 4-step versions. The 3rd product on our list is the Kingrack Aluminium 3-Step Folding Ladder. As you might guess from their name, Kingrack manufacture an impressive range of clever storage solutions and other equipment designed for the home. If you need a small set of steps that fold away but still let you reach that top shelf, then their 3-step ladder fits the bill. You don't always need a full set of steps, so having this miniature version tucked away is rather handy. Even though this looks like a toy version of a regular step ladder, it's ruggedly built from aluminium box section and can hold as much weight as a full-size ladder. You also get excellent non-slip steps and a wide top platform that allows you to work at a maximum height of just under 61 centimeters. Folding the steps flat is easy, and once retracted they're slim enough to fit in a cupboard without taking up too much room. The bottoms of the legs have grippy rubber feet to stop them sliding around. And at less than 4 kilograms, they're the lightest steps on my list. A great choice for when you don't need a full-size ladder. Second on our list is the Workplace Depot 8-tread tall fiberglass step ladder. If you need heavy-duty equipment like sturdy metal cabinets or chunky cable protectors, then the Workplace Depot is the place to go. And if you need a serious set of steps that are safe to use around live electricity, their 8-tread fiberglass step ladder is one of the best in the business, with a huge reach and impressive maximum load capacity. This is a serious ladder to have in your arsenal. This big beast of a step ladder is made from fiberglass. This provides several benefits over metal ladders, as it's incredibly weather resistant, stronger than tubular or box section aluminium, and non-conductive to electricity. Available in 4- and 6-tread versions, it's a solid series of ladders. There's a huge amount to reach with this 8-tread ladder. Reaching nearly 2.5 meters in the air, you can comfortably work at heights other ladders wish they could achieve. And when you're up at the top of the ladder, there's a handy tray that can hold tools, rolls of tape, or even a precious cuppa. This huge ladder is ideal for indoor as well as outdoor jobs and could easily reach a loft hatch. Finally, the top product on our list is the Vida Folding 4-Step Ladder. If you need a new set of shelves for the garage, a decorative post box, or clothes homewares outfit, Vida have got your back. And if you need a really solid set of steps, their step ladder with safety handrail is one of the best. Made from chunky tubular steel, it's as solid as a rock and easy to climb thanks to its textured treads. Ideally designed for anyone who wants to climb up high, but not without extra support. The 4 steps on this ladder will get you up to just under 1 meter high. That's high enough to reach most things around the home or garden. And you have big handrails on either side to hang on to. To add to the stability, the legs splay out at the bottom and have rubber feet for gripping onto a range of surfaces. Each folding tread has a ribbed, rubberized texture that allows for excellent grip, whatever the weather. It can take up to 150 kilograms maximum load as well, so it's ideal for working on, even with your tools.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.